So now the gold medal match at 68 kilograms. And out on her own, Mээрim Jumanazarova of Kyrgyzstan. She jogs her way to the mat, having defeated Hannah Sanchenka by pin, and that slender criterion victory over Alina Berezina. We saw how good the Ukrainian was. It's a former European silver medalist from the Czech Republic, Adela Hanzlekova. Just working her hands, trying to keep her rhythm ahead of this match. She defeated Georgieva 9-0 in the quarterfinals before victory over the European champion Belyeva of Russia. She was 2-4 down, but managed to pin the Russian, and in some ways make up for the fact that after winning European silver, the Czech, in 2019, she only managed 10th in Rome. Jumanazarova from Kyrgyzstan taking on the Czech Hanzlekova. Mээрim Jumanazarova had a terrific performance in Nur Sultan World Championships last year, only losing out to Narua Matsuyuki of Japan in that world final, ending with a silver medal. So both these women, recent silver linings to recent international meets, but who will go one better in the 68 kilogram gold medal match.
Давай action. Мээрим тегеренip иште, тегерен капталдан иште. Мээрим капталдан иште. Red passive. Капталдан болну. Мээрим.
A cagey start to the match. Just a warning about passivity, but no shot clock called just yet.
Blue, давай action.
Well, Jumanazarova, certainly a rising star, wrestling just 21 years of age, 5 years the junior of Hanzlekova.
Red action.
Already a world silver to her name.
Red passive.
At the moment, she's been accused of passivity, and it will be an official stop clock. If she scores, she will be penalised. Otherwise, if something doesn't happen, it'll be a point to Hanzlekova.
Hiç gerek yok. Ruki postoy, ruki doktoru. Hayır, kol üstüme atet. Birle kol üstüme atet. İyi, gerek yok. İyi, gittin. Yok.
Hanzlekova getting the point as she just stopped the aggressive intent of Jumanazarova.
Palçının gerek yok. Kaptanlar işte, kaptanlar. İyi.
Both women just looking for purchase.
Really
happy just to feel out their opponent. Now it's Hanzlekova who is given a warning. We're not facing the clock.
Sol koluna. Kol üstüme at. Niye? Oşo beri atma. Kolun moyunga koy atmay kolun işte. Al kolun gereği yok.
Difiste seni.
Oşo kolga işte. İyi gittin. Kaptanlap gittin. Gittin kaptanlap.
So at the break here in this gold medal match, Hanzlikova with that point gained for passivity against Jumanazarova. So a cagey start to the match. Will the second provide the fireworks? So Jumanazarova needing to act, and she's showing her strength to force Hanzlikova to the mat. Just trying to work the ankle. As the Czech will be happy just to have coughed up a couple of points. 2-1 lead for the world silver medalist from Nur Sultan. Looking for the leg sweep. She certainly got the Czech in all sorts of trouble. Kyrgyzstani racking up the points. Hanzlikova desperately trying to stay out of trouble. She's now down by 3 points after just 56 seconds of the second round. So Jumanazarova with the advantage, 4-1 over Hanzlikova. Two-time Asian champion from Kyrgyzstan in control. And further so with Hanzlikova unable to really put any pressure on the Kazakhstani in red. Just a little something in her mouth. Jumanazarova, a little bit of distraction. It's like a gift horse that Hanzlikova wasn't going to look in. Unable to really take advantage. Hanzlikova scrambling for the ankle. Now trying to lift up Jumanazarova. Jumanazarova trying to counter. Stalemate to the end. 39 seconds remaining of this gold medal match. Hanzlikova has to be aggressive. Jumanazarova, who's looking to give herself a little bit more insurance. Hanzlikova using power to drive herself to a 2-point disadvantage. Double shot for the legs, and that could be that. 4 points. Beautiful from Jumanazarova. And into the final 5 seconds, 6-point advantage. And it is gold for Jumanazarova. Applause from her coach. 1-year-old with her golden moment. Just calmly tidies her hair. Kyrgyzstan with their second gold medal of the Belgrade World Cup, and this time Jumanazarova in the 69 kilogram final.